Gals in God's grace.
Hi, welcome back to our channel with the Gals and Grace.
We have a very special Clean With Me today. We're gonna be working in Trisha's kitchen. It's actually really clean.
Actually,
Like your sister came and cleaned for you yesterday, right?
on Saturday, she came and blessed me. She's pretty amazing,
Her house looks really good, but there's a few little things we're going to work on.
right?
She does have a little bit of a sticky countertop. We're gonna be going through drawers today, so we need those countertops cleaned.
Some of my appliances need to be wiped down.
Trish doesn't know this, but as I was getting wine glasses out of the cabinets, I noticed a little sticky residue on the cabinets. Trish is very clean, but you know, sometimes those things just kind of, they happen.
Oh,
Sticky cabinets happen.
all right, sticky, yeah, then we'll go with that.
We're gonna clean them. We have a couple drawers. So we have a drawer that needs to be organized, and we have a drawer that's broken.
Right.
It's actually been broken since you moved in?
No, but it's been broken for quite a few months, so it definitely needs to be fixed.
We have a broken drawer. We're gonna fix that because we're the gals.
That's right, Gals and Grace.
We're not above fixing things or
Gals with muscles.
doing repair
And
work.
hammers. Controls.
We're doing this with a very special collaboration with Faith over at Faith's Life. She is an amazing girl who does tons of cleaning videos. She also does eye track bites, and she just had a baby. So, in honor of Faith, we're going to be doing this barefoot, unpregnant, and a little bit sexy in the kitchen.
Boom.
That's for you, Faith.
That's right.
Make sure you definitely go and check out our girl Faith. We'll put a link to her channel in the description box below.
And seriously, not only is she fantastic, but she's super funny. You have to go check out her My 4-year-old Did My Makeup video. She goes into Sephora and asks for a job.
We'll make sure to link that video as well.
Hi, I am Faith and I am a mom of 3. I have 3 girls, a 15-year-old, a 6-year-old, and a 3-month-old. I enjoy doing lots of videos such as cleaning. I like doing DIYs, family vlogs, and I do a weight loss program called I Trek Bites, Conquer Cravings. And I also film recipes. I have a collection of videos on my channel, so please check me out after Gals and Grace. Bye.
We almost forgot the most important part.
Oh, heavens to Betsy. And we're doing it Gals and Grace style.
We can't forget the wine. That's right. Wine and cleaning.
There you go.
Cheers.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby.
Oh, whoops. I did that on purpose. I totally did it on purpose.
That's pretty cool. Okay, wait. Oh, you did it on purpose?
Yes.
So this is a plant?
It's an onion plant. It's
Well, then you can cut these, right? Like chives?
Oh, yes, you can. Well, it happens to stinking Betsy. All right. Or actually, I did it on purpose for some decor because I needed some greenery in here.
Did you need any special circumstances or just you leave it out on your counter?
It's called Trish Gets Too Busy sometimes, and she buys things that she thinks she's gonna use, but she doesn't use, and then they sit on the counter too long, and then she shops her house for things that she really needs, like some greenery. Boom, that's what it's all about.
I like it.
Okay, we're gonna go with that. Don't ask me how long the spaghetti squashes would sit here either.
Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, I so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, I so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last slow. this night will last. I want you more than money. I wanna float on downstream, go and find my wild dreams, yeah. I'd kill to feel it all shake you like a twisted mind game. I'll be burned by your flame, oh. Ups and downs, no in-betweens. Fire and ice, burn gasoline. You know I love it. You know I love it. Love and hate, romantic sin. Fire and ice, gone with the wind. You know I love it. We're the kind, burning blind. We're breaking all the laws of our universe. Northern lights, roaring skies. We're breaking all the laws of our universe. We're breaking all the laws of our universe. Don't break my heart, just break free. Just let me see your bad streaks. Maybe they'll match my freaks, yeah. I'd kill to see the stars cry, roam in the dark.
So I know I'm using the pledge on the stainless steel, but I want to let you know that you can't use this kind of pledge on every kind of stainless steel. This specific stainless steel just cleans up nicer. So that's why you use this one. You have to look and see what kind of stainless steel you have. This is more of like a, it doesn't have a lot of shine to it. It's more of gritty kind of. It's not that super, super smooth stainless steel that you've seen that just shows every single fingerprint.
Like on your range hood?
Right. There's a difference. So we can actually, I'll show you the difference. Let's use this on here. It's gonna leave a little bit more of a film. Watch, now it's gonna make me a liar.
Well, pledge does make sense because my understanding is that you use an oil base for stainless steel. You can use olive oil, you can use, when you use stainless steel cleaner, it's an oil base.
Right. And I actually use pledge on all of my leather seats in my car, and it works amazing. It conditions the leather perfectly. Believe it or not, the pledge works fantastic. So, boom, there you go. That was worth like $50.
Good tip, Trish.
Thanks.
We're the kind burning blind. Northern lights, roaring skies. We're the kind burning blind. We're breaking all the laws of our universe. Northern lights, roaring skies. We're breaking all the laws of our universe. We're breaking all the laws of our universe. We're breaking all the laws of our universe.
So what's the plan of attack, Trish?
The plan of attack is I'm gonna vacuum this out and then I'm gonna clean it. And I'm soaking the mat that goes inside here. I'll let that dry, and then I need to go through this stuff. What we didn't mention is that I have a ton of stuff in my kitchen I'm not using that I just need to get rid of. And I have a daughter who is starting off on her own, and I know she could use some of these kitchen items. So I'm gonna go through here and figure out what I wanna get rid of, consolidate some of the like items, and maybe put them in a different spot that's not in here, because this is my practical drawer that I use more for when I'm entertaining, but I need it to be put together and really easy to get out of. But I'm gonna first start by cleaning it.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it?
I've just put in here what I think is going to be most practical for me. I took some of the bigger and nicer ladles and serving spoons out that I don't use all the time, and I have another area that I can put those in, that will be out of the way. But we use this often. These are for our salads, lots of salad, and for pie that we don't hardly ever eat, but I do need this. And then of course wine, which you know is the most important. Our timer and our little sleeve type things for the wine stem. So I'm gonna keep these in here, and I'm gonna put the other items that we use very little in a different area.
With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start.
Now it's time to fix the drawer. It seems like whenever we fix the frame and we put the drawer back in, they just fall apart again. Let's do this right this time. Let's go.
You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, I'm looking like a breeze, but really you're...
These are the little white braces that we use, that we put the bar frame in. The one back there is a little bit longer than this one. Is a little shorter, but it'll still work. But I don't know if you can see really well. These are stapled in, and that's really poor construction because they just can't withhold any weight whatsoever, and then they fall apart. You see that here too. So we're going to screw them in, and there is places for screws, as you can see right on here. So we're going to screw these babies in and see if that holds up better.
You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Rushing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first. Go a little wild, it's your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do.
What was that?
Okay, let's just see. Happens to Stinkin' Betsy. Okay, this happened to my brother. And he did something. I'm trying to remember. We're gonna leave it.
What? I'm confused.
I have to ask my brother why it does that. There's a reason why it does that. We're just gonna go with that for right now.
Okay. We'll call it fixed.
We're gonna call it fixed.
It took us all day. It's already about sundown. I know the sun's going down sooner, but it still took us a long time. We think we fixed the drawer. We definitely organized one drawer, made some more room,
And cleaned.
and we got to spend the day together.
That's right.
Which is always a plus,
And we drank some great wine.
clearly.
But of course, just like every time, we love that you get to be a part of this with us. We are so grateful for that. We have a lot more fun videos up our sleeve.
Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you soon.
All right.
Bye.
Looking like